Colors. The sky is blue, the grass is green, the rose is red. Isn't that true? Lemon is yellow, orange is orange, wood is brown. Don't you know? Milk is white, tar is black. Mix them up. And what have you? Blue, green, red, brown, yellow, orange, black, white. How many colors do you know? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If to this you add gray 9 colors, now you know. Let's try. Write the name of 3 colors other than those given in the lesson. Find 6 color in the grade given below. One has been done for you. Blue, green, brown, red, white. Match the colors with the object has been given, done for you. Leaves, sun, flowers, apples, orange sky, orange leaves, rose, orange sky, lemon. Answer the question given below. One has been done for you. What is this? This is a bird. What is this? This is a orange. What is this? This is a tree. What is this? This is an apple. What is this? This is a sunflower. Complete the sentence. What is blue? Blue color. Color green. What is white? White color. Black color. Look at the pictures and solve the following riddles. I am an animal. I have 4 legs. I eat grass. I gave milk. My name begins of C. Cow. I live in water. I can swim. My name begin is with F. Fish. I am an animal. I have 4 legs. I eat grass. I ran very fast. My name is begin with H. Horse. I am an animal. I am shell. I squee. My name begin is with R. Rat. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with is or are. My bicycle is red. These flowers are yellow. This is this ball is blue. His shirt is white. Those apples are green. The rainbow is colorful.